Good morning, everybody. Okay, here we go. It's 6:45. Headlights are routed and in place. Line's good. We're going to be using this power to do a fan controller switch assembly. Boss knows how to do that one. I'm not super familiar with all of those. Power for the distributor is ready to go, and I'm just routing power for the alternator this morning. Had to reset a couple things and get them back in order like they need to be. I got a little too overzealous yesterday, so my fault. But it happens. You get rolling. You don't 100% catch everything. And good God, is it windy this morning. I mean, like, it's coming through the doors. Wow. Okay. Enough of that update. So, I had to pull some back through, and then I have to shove one or two back in that are different. Some of the parts that are supposed to be labeled all the way through weren't, so where I was looking, I had the non-labeled area. But they are labeled like they're supposed to be, so it's just, I'll throw myself under the bus. I made a mistake, but I caught it more than quick enough so I can get it fixed, so not a big deal. I got to route more anyway, so it's not a major big deal. And then we are double checking for the back so that we have turn signal switch power, brake light power, brake light switch power. So I'll have to add the other wire to that to get that taken care of. So yeah, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting there. I can't wait. But yeah, we'll get you updated as soon as we can when I've got more done. All right, thanks, guys.